मैं प्रोफेसर रिपुरंजन सिन्हा, प्रोफेसर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, डिप्यूटेड एट एसएसएन सुबोध पीजी कॉलेज जयपुर राजस्थान एंड प्रो वाइस चांसलर कॉमनवेल्थ वोकेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी किंगडम रपटोंगा. As a promoter of United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, African Union Agenda 2063, Uganda Development Agenda 2040, and India Growth Index India at 75. As a promoter of development consultant especially Republic of South Sudan, I am constantly working in tune with United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda as a development consultant for the Republic of South Sudan, government of South Sudan. Today, my topic deals with the Flag Code of India 2002 that is released by the Government of India Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi. And basically, this discussion deals with the Flag Code of India. The Indian national flag represents the hope and aspirations of the people of India. It is a symbol of our national pride. Over the last 5 decades, several people, including members of armed force, have ungrudgingly laid down their lives to keep the tricolor flying in its full glory. There is universal affection and respect for and loyalty to the national flag. At a perceptible lack of awareness is often noticed, not only amongst people but also in the organizations agency of the government. In the regard to law, practice and convention that apply to the display of the national flag, apart from non-statutory instructions issued by the government of India from time to time, display of national flag is governed by provision of the emblems and names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950, number 12 of 1950, and the Prevention of Insult to the National Honor Act 1971, number 69, 1971. Flag Code of India 2002 is an attempt to bring together all such law, conventions, practices, and instruction for the guidance and benefit of all concerned. For the sake of convenience, Flag Code of India 2002 has been divided into three parts. Part 1 of the code contains general description of the national flag. Part 2 of the code is devoted to the display of the national flag by the member of the public, private organization, educational institute. And Part 3 deals with the code related to display of the national flag by the central and the state government and their organizations and agencies. Flag Code of India 2002 take effect from January 26, 2002 and supersede the Flag Code India as it existed. So today, in a part one, especially of the general part of the Flag Code of India, 1.1 deals with the national flag shall be the tricolor panel made of the tricolor panel or sub panel of the equal weight. The color of the top panel shall be India saffron, that is a kesari, and that of the bottom panel shall be India green. Middle part shall be white, wearing at the center the design of a Ashok chakra in navy blue color with 24 equally spokes. The Ashok chakra shall preferably be screen printed on otherwise printed or center light or suitably embroidered and shall be completely visible on both sides of the flag in the center of the white panel. National flag of India shall be made of hand spun and hand woven wool, cotton, silk, khadi, wanti. National flag shall be rectangle in the shape. The ratio of the length of the height of the flag shall be 3 into 2. The standard size of the national flag shall be followed. Flag size 1, 6300 to 4200 mm, 3600 to 2400 mm. Flag size 2, flag size 3, 2700 to 1800 mm. Flag size 4, 1800 into 1200 mm. Flag size 5, 1350 into 900 mm. Flag size 7, 900 into 600 mm. Flag 6, 450 into 300 mm. And flag 8, 225 into 150 mm. And flag 9 means size number 9, 150 into 100. Means national flag standard size is divided into 9 parts. Means the 9 category size are there. We can use an appropriate size should be chosen for display. The flag is 450 into 300 mm size are intended for the aircraft on VVIP flight. 225 into 150 mm size for the motor cars, and 150 to 100 mm size for the table flags. This is the size of the flag, and this is the special size of the flag, means we divided the flag size in the cases. So another part is that flag part 2, hosting, displaying use of national flag by the member of the public, private organization, educational institute, etc. This bill is the section 1. There shall be no restriction on the display of the national flag by the member of general public, private organization, educational institute, etc., except to the extent provided in the albums and the names. That the Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950 and the emblems, emblems and names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950. Section 2. In this act, unless the context otherwise required, emblems means any emblems, seals, flag, insignia, coat of arms, or pictorial representative specified in the schedules. Section C deals with the not representing anything content any law for the time being in force. No person shall accept in the such case, and under such condition it may be prescribed by the central government, use or continue to use for the purpose of any trade, business, calling or profession, or in the title of any patent or any trademark of design, any name or emblem specified in the schedule, or any colorable intimation thereof without the provision permissions of the central government or such officer of the government as may be authorized in this behalf by the central government. A special important thing is that the Indian national flag has been specified as the emblem in the schedule to the act. The Prevention Insult to the National Honor Act 1971 and any other law enacted and on the subject keeping in view the provision of aforesaid act, the flag shall not be used for the commercial purpose in the violation of the emblem and names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950. The flag shall not be dipped in salute to any person or things. The Prevention of Insult to the National Honor Act 1971. Section 2 deals with the whoever in any public place or in any other place within public view burns, mutilate, defect, dilect, diffuse, destroy, tramples upon or otherwise bring into contempt whether by words either spoken or written or by act the Indian flag, national flag, or any part therefore shall be punished with the impoverishment for the terms which may extend to 3 years or within fine or both. Explanations 1. Comment expressing disapprobations or criticism of the Indian national flag or any measure of the government with a view to obtain or alternation of the Indian national flag by lawful means do not constitute or offense under this section. Explanations 2 deals with the expression Indian national flag include any pictures, painting, drawing, or photographs, other visual representation of the Indian national flag of any parts or parts therefore made any substance or represent on any substance. Explanation 3. The expression public place means any place intended for use by or accessible to the public and include any public conveyance. For third point, the flag shall not be flown or half must accept or occasion on which the flag is flown, half must a public building, accordance with the instruction issued by the government. The flag shall not be used at a disparity to any forms of whatever including private funerals. The flag shall not be used as a portion of costume or uniform of any description, nor shall be embroidered or printed upon cushions, handicraft, napkins, or any dress materials. Lettering of any kind shall not be put upon the flag. The flag shall not be used as a acceptable to receiving, delivering, holding, or carrying anything. Provide there shall be no objection to keeping flower petals inside the flag before it unfurled or part of celebration or a special occasion on the national day like the Republic Day and Independence Day. When used on the occasion like unveiling of the church, the flag shall be displayed distinctly and disparately, and it shall not be used as a covering for the salute or moment. The flag shall not be used to cover speakers' decks, not nor shall be draped over the speaker platforms. The flag shall not be intensely allowed to touch the ground or floor or rail in the water. The flag shall not be draped over the hoop, top, sides, or back of the vehicle, train, boat, or aircraft. The flag shall not be used as a covering of the building, and the flag shall not be intentionally displayed within the saffron drawn. 2.2.2. The member of the public, a private organization, or any educational institution may host display the national flag on all day and occasion, ceremonial or otherwise, consist with the dignity and honor of the national flag. Whatever the national flag is displayed, it should be occupy the positions of honors and should be distinct place. A damaged or disabled flag should not be displayed. The flag should not be flown from the single masthead simultaneously with any flag or flags. The flag should not be flown any vehicle except in accordance with the provision contained section 9 of the part 2 of the code. When the flag is displayed on the speaker platform, it should be flown on the speaker right at the face, the audience, or flat against the wall, above behind the speakers. When the flag is displayed flat and horizontal on the wall, the saffron band should be uppermost, and when displayed vertically, the saffron band should be on the right with reference to the flag, left to the person facing the flags. To the extent possible, the flag should inform to the specifications prescribed in Part 1 of the code. No other flag or bunting should be placed higher than or above or side by side with the flag, national flag, nor should any object including flower or garland or emblem to be placed on or above the flag, must from which flag is from. The flag should not be used as a feston, restis, or bunting or any other manner for decoration. The flag made of paper may be waved by the public on the occasion of important national, cultural, and sports event. However, such paper bags should not be discarded or thrown on the ground after the event. As far as possible, it should be deposed or private consistent with the dignity of the flag. Where the flag is displayed in the open, it should, as far as possible, be flown from the sunrise to sunset, irrespective of the weather conditions. The flag should not be displayed or fastened in any manner as damage it, and when the flag is damaged or solid condition, it shall be destroyed as a whole in a private, preferably by the wounding or by any other measure consistent of dignity of the flag. Section 3. The national flag may be hosted in an educational institution like the school, college, sports camp, scout camp, etc. to inspire respect for the flag. A model set of instruction for the guidance is given below. The school will assemble in open square formation with the purpose formatting the three sides and flag staff at the center of the four sides. The headmaster, the pupil leaders, and person flying the flag, if other than the headmaster, will stand a piece behind the flag staff. The people will fall according to classes and in squads of 10. These squads will be arranged one behind the other. The people, leaders of the class, will stand to the right of the first row of this class, and from the master will stand three paces behind the last row of the class toward the middle. The classes. So will this range the long square of the order seniority with the source of this. The distance between each row should be at least 30 inch, and the space between forms and forms should be same. When each form of the class is ready, the class leader will spray on the salute the selected school office leader. As soon as the forms are ready, the school office leader will set up. So you may see these the squares in the five school office leader in charge of the parade and a flag salutation with the flow by the national anthem. On the occasion when the place is taken, the place will follow the national anthem. In place lying the national flag, the practice to the top the schools as follows, standing with the face light and statement, I pledge allegiance to the national flag and the sovereignty of the specialist socialist secular democratic republic for which it stand. And last, very important thing is that part 3. So hosting display of the national flag by the central state government and other organization and agency. This deals with the section 1, defense installations or head of missions or posts. The provision of this part shall not be applied to defense installation have their own rule for display of the national flag. National flag may also be flown on the headquarters and residence of the head of the mission, post about the country where it's customized for diplomatic and consular representation by the national flag on headquarters and offices. Section 3, 2, officially display, subject to the provisions contained in section 1 and above, it shall be mandatory for the government and organization agency to follow the provision contained in the part. On the all occasion for officer display, only the flag conforming with especially laid down the bureau of the Indian standard and bearing their standard mark with the youth on the other occasions also. Section 3 is the correct display process is also dealing with this. Whenever the flag is found, it should be to occupy the positions on and on like that. Means they are discontinued which way we can display this. So in the case of section 4, either incorrect display means some guidelines are there given by the court. That is a damage or distress like that. We should not do it. We have to very conscious about this terminology to about the displaying of the flags. So in these cases, section 5 that the misuse of flag is also forbidden not to be displayed or informed. The other section 3 is also discussing 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 33, 0 like that. This is the section 5 deals and section 6 is the schedule. During the ceremony of the hosting or lowering to the flag, or when the flag is passing on the parade out of view, all persons present should face the flag and stand with attention. Those present in the form should be render the appropriate sorties when the flag is moving common person present. So these are the codes. So in the cases of section 6 and 7, display with the flag of other nations and the United Nations. When display in the straight lines and with the flags of other countries, the national flag is on the extreme right. If an observer were to stand in the center of the row of the flag facing audience, the national flag should be the extremely right. The position is lowered in the diagrams. So be concerned about the following. We are doing this activities. We need to follow this guideline also. Means we have to use the right side of the national flag. And next is the flag of foreign countries shall be proceeded from the national flag alphabetical order basis of English version of the name or country concerned. It will be permissible such case of like that. Means after that we will follow this only alphabetical order. In case of flag forming as open area, arc and semicircle must be there. So when the national flag as a display against the wall with the national flag from cross staff, national flag shall be on the right side. Flag on right and its staff shall be in the front of the staff or other flag. The position is stored is like that. Okay. When the United Nations flag is flown along with the national flag, it can be displayed either side of national flag. The national practice is to fly the national flag or action right with the reflex of direction. This is facing extreme left or observers in the eastern part. The position illustrated this in this manner. The screen there. So when the national flag is pointed like that in section 8, display over the public building and official residence. Normally, the national flag should be flown only the important public buildings such as High Court, Secretariat, Commission Office, Collectors, Jails, and Office of District Board, Municipals, and Jilla Parishad and Department of Public Sector Undertaking. In frontier area, national flag may be flown the border questions, post, check post, and other areas like that. National flag should be flown at the office and residence of the president, the vice president, governor, lieutenant governor when they are at headquarters and the building on which they are stay during their visit in place outside the headquarters. Gate of the building and return of the headquarters when described in the visit of the files in the outside cases. So these are the when President or Vice President or Prime Minister visit an national flag management institutes and the mark of respect. On the occasion of visit to India by the foreign dignitary, namely President, Vice President, Empower King, Governor, Dance Prince, and Prime Minister, the national flag may be flown with the flag of foreign country concerned in accordance with the rules containing sections 8 by the visiting foreign dignitary on such place building like that. So in these cases, section 9 is displayed on the motor car. The privilege of flying the national flag on the motor car is limited to the president, vice president, governors and lieutenant governor, head of Indian mission post about in the country or which they are active, prime minister and other cabinet minister, ministry of state and deputy minister of union, chief minister, other cabinet ministry of the state and union territory, ministry of state and deputy minister of state, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Deputy Chairman of the Raj Sabha, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chairman of Legislative Council in the state, Speaker of Legislative Assembly in the state and Union Territory, Deputy Chairman of Legislative Council in the state, Deputy Speaker of Legislative Assembly in the state and Union Territory, 7. Chief Justice of India, Judge of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of High Court, Judge of High Court. The dignitary mentioned in clause 5.7 of the paragraph 2 may be fly the national flag on their car when they consider it necessary to advisable. When foreign dignitary travel in the car provided the government, national flag will fly on the right side of the car and flag of the foreign country will fly on the left side. So section 10, display on the train or aircraft. When the president travel by a special train within the country, national flags will fly from the driver cab on the side facing the platform of the station from where train depart. The flag should be flown only when the special train is stationary or when coming into a station where it's going on. National flag will be found on the aircraft carrying the president, vice president, and prime minister on the visit of foreign country. Along the national flag, the flag of country visits should be flown, but the aircraft is land or country is to the national. When the president goes on the tour within the India, national flag display on the side when the president depart the aircraft like that. Section 11, half masting. In the event of the death of the falling dignitary, the national flag shall be the half mast and placed dedicated against each other. President, Vice President, or Prime Minister throughout India. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, place Delhi. Union Cabinet Minister, Delhi and State Capitals. Minister of State or Deputy Minister of the Union, Delhi. Governor, Lieutenant Governor, Chief Minister of State, Chief Minister of Union Territory, Cabinet Minister of the state throughout the state or Union Territory concerned, capital of state. It is the intimated date of any dignitary in the same in the afternoon the flags of the march with the flying is like that. So this is the on the other day of the funeral like that we have to follow the guidelines and if the state consider observing the date of any dignitary, the flags are the half mast like that. So this is the rules behind the flag code of the government of India. So why we are considering the flag code of India today? The basic objective is that every Indian citizen must know the principle and practices before using the flag of the national importance as a national integration. So flag code of India is released on 2002 Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs in the New Delhi. Basically, the flag code is the universal national flag represented hopes and aspirations of people of India. It is a symbol of our national pride. Over the last 5 decades, several people, including members and like that, Silicon Valley. So there is a universal affection and respect for and loyalty to a national flag. So we have the means government of India has prepared all the things in the national flag provisions of the emblems and names, Prevention of Empower You Act 1950, number 12 of the 1950, and the Prevention of Insult to the National Honor Act 1971, number 69 to 1971. Flag of India 2000 attempt to bring together all such law, convention, practice, and instruction for the guidance and behalf of those concerned. For the sake of the convenience of Flag Code of 2002 has been divided into three parts. Part 1 of the code content general description, and part 2 deals with the code debated to display of the national flag by the members of public, private organization and educational institution, and part 3 deals with the code related to display of the national flag by the central state governments. Flag of India to take effect on the 26th January 22, and so precise of the flag code India has existed. So in these cases we have seen that what are the mechanism and which way we have to follow, and what are the directions of the flags, and what are the flag size, different flag size at India, and from where we have to use, and on which mechanism, which event we can use, and with the way of flown the flag in India and outside India, during the event and under the event, under the education institution, for the personal use. So one important thing is that, especially as per the rules of part 2, hosting, displaying, use of national flag by the members of public, private organization, educational institution are like that. There shall be no restriction on the display of the national flag by the member of general public, private organization or educational institution, except to extent provided emblems and names, Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950. So this is clear cut. As per this norm, Indian citizen as a respect to honor, they can use the flag for the betterment of the public's figures. There shall be no restriction on the display of the national flag by the members of the general public, private organization or educational institutions. So in this cases, section part 2 deals with that, and we have seen that. So this is the very big things, and we must salute this code, and we must know this code effectively for the uh, betterment of the national integrity and national importance. So today we have discussed the mechanism, and especially Flag Code of India 2002, what is all about, what are the mechanisms, what are the methods, what are the rules, what are the size, and which way we have to flown, and which way we have to host, what are the rules and regulations, and what are the code within the Flag Code of India. So hope you all enjoy this Flag Code of India 22, and you will learn a lot for the betterment, for respect, and for the respect of the Indian national and Indian national origins. So thank you today. Thank you very much for the today. Thank you very much.